What up, guys? I am Mandla Matebula, mechanic. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I've never made a video of anything before, so bear with me. I'm learning as I go. Okay. Today we have Ford Ranger T6 2.2 high power. The customer is complaining that the car cranks but doesn't start. Let's plug in the machine and check what fault code it has. Okay, these are the faults we are getting. Sorry for the background noise. I work at the center where there's a gym, and it's that time now where they start training. So back to this car. This car has a lot of faults, but our main concern is the PCM, powertrain control module. Let me show you what it's showing. Report. It's showing two fault codes on the powertrain control module. The one, it's cylinder glow plug and glow plug circuit open. That's not a problem. It's not gonna cause the car not to start. The one, injector control pressure too low, engine cranking. That's the one. That's the main problem. So let me show you guys what the problem is. Before we go to that, it's the fault code. It's P2291. That's the fault code we're getting. Let me show you what the problem is. On these engines, this sensor here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Try and get the camera to focus. This sensor on the common rail is the one that's reading the common rail pressure. So if the pressure is not enough, it's like if it's a common rail system, the pressure must be consistent, because if one injector is not right, the pressure is gonna drop through that injector and the car is not gonna start. This is what the car is doing now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove the feed lines to the injectors and blank them off one by one to see which of the injectors is losing the pressure. But usually it's just one injector. Since I've started working on this engine, it's never been more than one injector that's causing the fault. But to be like safe, it's better if we change all injectors, even if it's just the one that's causing a fault. But cars just always working on a budget, so people are just gonna fix what needs to be fixed and just move on. Okay, guys, we are back now. What we took off this pipe and we put in a blank. It's the same pipe, but we just cut it in half and hit it close the side. So now now we're gonna start and see with the condition of injector number 1. Start! There you have it, guys. Now the engine is running. That means by some dumb luck, it's the first injector that has a problem. The engine started. Now I have to go and talk to the customer about getting injectors and stuff. Thank you, guys. This is it for this first video. That's it for our first video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will be making more of these videos about problems I run into as a mechanic, and I find not enough information about on the internet. So I'm doing this to help other mechanics who are also looking for solutions on the internet, and there isn't enough content on this. Thank you for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button. Peace.